How to change your TikTok region country location. The first things first is log into your TikTok account and then access it. And from here, go to your profile, click on your profile, and then click on the three lines located at the top right corner of your screen. And then go to settings and privacy. Now press privacy. You scroll down and go to location services. Now from here, we need to change app permissions. To do so, just pull up open device settings and then go ahead to app permissions. Now tap on location and then press don't allow. Then go back to your TikTok app. Now once everything is set, all you have to do is to go to your phone settings and then type in region. From here, tap region, and this is where you can change your TikTok region country location as many as you want. So upon changing it, it will automatically sync to your TikTok app, and that's how you change your TikTok region country location.